Some days things just take way too much of my energy. I look up and the whole world's spinning. You take my cares away. I can so overcomplicate. People tell me to medicate. Feel my blood running, swear the sky's falling.
You know what? I have a wonderful idea. Why don't you and I learn how to become models? I think we could do it. It won't be easy, but it would sure be a lot of fun. We should practice model movements right now. Why don't you show me some moves that you think would look good? Will be lots of fun.
Here are some of my movements. I can move and I can turn, but I do not know what the proper moves are that models do. I guess you and I can just practice and maybe someday we will get good enough where we can actually be models. Or maybe we should take modeling lessons. I do not know which way to turn or which way to walk. I wonder if this looks good. I do not know if we can ever be models. We will just have to keep trying and trying, my friend.
You remind me of a time when things weren't so complicated. All I need is to see your face. Feel my blood running, sweat the sky's falling. How did I know this shit's fabricated? Time goes by and I can't control my mind. I don't know what else to try, but you tell me every time. Just keep breathing and breathing and breathing and breathing. I know I gotta keep on breathing. Just keep breathing and breathing and breathing and breathing. I know I gotta keep on breathing. Feel my blood running, sweat the sky's falling. Oh. Time goes by